The spread of the pandemic restricted mobility to essentials only. Google Mobility Reports were launched in 2020 to track public movement and compare the data to pre-pandemic levels. This information was made globally accessible to help authorities develop measures to curb the spread of the pandemic. On IndiaPulse at ISB, these mobility reports are visualized and categorized state-wise for better understanding of mobility percentage. Under the tab Community Mobility, Google, you can see a variety of categories like grocery and pharmacy, parks, public transport, etc. Urban spaces of retail and recreation witnessed a sharp decline in footfall due to multiple lockdowns. People were wary of going out even after restrictions were lifted. Lower mobility in recreational spaces is an indicator of how people now prefer alternatives for food, shopping and entertainment with food delivery, online shopping and subscription to OTT platforms respectively. Grocery and pharmacies include grocery markets, food warehouses, drugstores and pharmacies. The percentage change in visits to these places was more pronounced in states of Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Karnataka from January to November 2021. Visits to grocery markets and pharmacies recovered and crossed pre-pandemic levels after the first lockdown and after the peak of the second wave. Footfalls crossed pre-pandemic levels in India, and in November 2021, the overall increase was 41.1% more than 2020. As seen on IndiaPulse at ISB, some states witnessed a great increase in percentage visits to grocery markets. In Kerala, there was a 66.8% increase in footfall by December 2021 as compared to the same time in 2020. Similarly, Tamil Nadu witnessed a 51.6% increase, followed by Uttar Pradesh at 50.8%, Karnataka at 42.2% and Bihar at 41.7% increase, indicating a manifold increase in footfall to grocery and pharmacies. On the India data portals IndiaPulse at ISB, high-frequency datasets like health, logistics and mobility are collated, categorized and visualized into sectors, which makes spotting economic trends and activities easier. Check out IndiaPulse at ISB on indiadataportal.com to identify similar trends, analysis, facts and stats.